Hi, I'm Ron Dwayne V. Cabidog from BSTM TM1B, and I am gonna explain the two kinds of tourism and give you some example of kinds of travelers. So when we say tourism, there are two parts of tourism. That is the domestic and international. When we talk about the domestic tourism, this refers to traveling within the country's borders, while the international tourism refers to traveling outside the country's border. And I'm gonna give you examples of kinds of travelers. So we have leisure, cultural, and business. So when we say leisure travelers, their sole purpose for traveling is recreational activities and entertainment. While business travelers, their sole purpose is for business meetings. While the cultural travelers, their purpose is for